Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging and headphone jack board on the Samsung Galaxy A50 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. Make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic cartwright tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and disconnect the Touch ID, main flex and antenna connectors from the charging port board. Next, apply some heat and take out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place a new charging port board in the body. Next, secure the main flex, antenna head and Touch ID plug to the board. Next, secure the battery plug, and then place the mid frame in the body by securing 13 screws. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws, and also insert the SIM tray. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A50 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.